So when we got the house, there were no display homes here. There was nothing actually, but we trust the brand Fairwater. That's amazing.
For us, these 4 years have been amazing. We chose Blacktown. Everything's close by, shopping centers close by. Major factor, you've got the biggest train station nearby. It's a major junction. So we've been proud of that thing since we've Frasers has started promoting the community as a 6-star rating community. One of the things, every time we go and we talk to people, we tell them about it. We feel proud about it. It's not a conventional your air conditioning system where you've got a unit installed. This all starts even before the slab is laid for the house. They have to dig in the earth and lay out their pipe structure and everything. So it's using the natural resources, the earth, the natural cooling process, and it saves you a lot of people I've spoken to, they have their in winters they'll have their heaters on throughout the day, and it's not a big hit on their electricity bills, and plus it's doing what it's meant to do. So that's the best part about the geothermal thing.
Good for environment.